The Russian S-70 Okhotnik attack drone developed by Sukhoi successfully conducted the first precision strike test. During the test campaign, the drone employed a variety of air-to-surface missiles used by the fifth-generation Su-57 fighter to strike small-sized camouflaged targets at different times of the day in any weather conditions, an industry source told Russian agency RIA Novosti. Tests were reportedly deemed successful. Weapon testing of the S-70 began in December 2020. Since then, the drone has demonstrated its capacity to use air-to-air missiles and unguided bombs. This last test was particularly important as the S-70 is expected to eventually operate in collaboration with the Su-57 to extend the latter's radar field and strike capabilities. The S-70 Okhotnik drone is powered by an AL-31 turbojet engine and is expected to fly at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour with a range of 6,000 kilometers. According to the Russian Defense Ministry, it is equipped with electro-optical targeting, radio, and other types of reconnaissance equipment. Its two internal bays can carry up to 2.8 tons of weapons. Serial production and delivery of the S-70 Okhotnik is due to begin in 2023. Military historian calls it a space drone. It has many elements of a sixth-generation drone. In addition to low visibility and supersonic speed, it can reach high altitudes and, in the future, into outer space. It, however, depends on the engines that still need to be created, the expert said. Nudov said. Nutt also directly hinted about the intended mission profiles of the Su-57, the Okhotnik, and their loyal wingman/manned-unmanned teaming. The Su-57 can control a swarm of Okhotnik drones, and this combination opens up great opportunities for solving strategic combat missions. The Hunter is made in the same way as the Su-57. And in Ukraine, Su-57 aircraft solved combat missions and returned unnoticed, Nudov added. This indicates that Su-57 and the Okhotnik team would either destroy large strategic targets like North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, command centers, and civilian military targets, or ease the way for large bombers like the Tupolev Tu-160. Tu-22 or MiG-31s that can carry the Ki-101 cruise missile or the Kinzhal hypersonic missile to release their payload. On 12 February 2021, it was reported that 3 additional prototypes were under construction at the Novosibirsk Cholov aviation plant, according to a source in the military-industrial complex. The second model is a modified copy of the first prototype, while the third and fourth prototypes will be identical to the serial production unit.